Welcome to the amazing world of iLight, the new generation of light experience based on LED technology. iLight is the perfect accessory to enhance your home. The warm and luxurious light output provides a modern alternative to traditional candlelight. The lights are completely safe to use in humid areas such as bathrooms. You can even install them outdoors, creating an innovative and attractive lighting solution for patio or driveway. iLight is a patented, easy-to-install LED light innovation. iLight is easy to install in carpets, parquetry, and even tiles. iLights can be mounted anywhere in the house, for instance in floors, on stairs, or in walls and ceilings. Light-emitting diodes, generally known as LEDs, are semiconductor connections that transfer electrical power directly into light. iLight is perfectly safe because of the low-voltage circuitry. You won't need to overhaul your home's electrical wiring. All you need is a single available standard outlet for the AC adapter.